Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I did this little summer natural bronzy glowy look. So if you want to see how I got this, then just keep on watching. Oh, and by the way, it's literally so easy. Well, if you want to make it even quicker and easier, I guess, then just modify it to your liking or to your time that you have to get ready in the morning, or however you want to do it. But okay, so let's just get started. I already did my skincare, so I'm just going to move on to the makeup. Okay, so I have a new primer and a foundation that I want to try out. This is the Wet n Wild Primer Water Spray, and I'm so excited. It's limited edition, and I don't think, has another drugstore come out with like a water primer? I don't think so. I think they might be the first brand that has done this, and I'm so excited. So I'm just going to spray. Oh, it's like a cool pump. So I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Okay. Oh, that's super fine. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. It's supposed to be like a quick summer look, so we're gonna try to use as less products as we can, but knowing me, it's either a full face or nothing. So I'm just going to quickly, well, as quickly to me, I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. Even though this is like a quick summer look, I still have to clean up my brows because I just can't. So for my foundation, I'm going to try this LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. Yeah, so let's see. It kind of looks a little too white for me, but we're gonna see. I'm just gonna do a pump the back of my hand. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge and pass this all over my face. Yep, it's too light. I don't usually do my foundation with a sponge, but recently it kind of feels good because of just like the warmer weather and the humidity. Just feels nice to have less liquid makeup on my face. So it is matte for sure. I feel like it looks really good on camera, but in person you could still see my redness. So I'm just going to take another pump because I literally used that pump and a half for just the right side of my face. So I'm going to take a little bit more. I mean, it's evening out my complexion nicely, but it's not giving me the coverage that I would like, considering the fact that I do have acne scars, and if I'm wearing makeup, I obviously don't want them to show through. I think I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Genius Gel Foundation. I'm just going to apply a pump of that all over my face. This foundation is very natural, but it still gives me a really nice, really nice coverage. But I don't want my redness to peek through. I guess I'll just apply some of my concealer there. You could still see a little bit of my redness peeking through. And even though this is like a summer quick makeup look, I like my base to be very full coverage. So that's the thing about me. I'll rather take time on my foundation and have it be very flawless and not do like my eyes or whatever, you know? So I'm just going to take some of my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer and just apply a little bit on my cheeks. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Just go ahead and apply that under my eyes. I like a very snatched face. even, like I said, even if it's a summer quick look, my face or my base makeup has to be flawless, so that's what we're doing. Now, because I do have very oily skin, I am going to powder the living out of my face. So I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit and just take a mixture of these two shades and set under my eyes. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder and just press that into my face. If you do have drier skin, then you could probably skip out on the powder. You could probably skip out on the foundation and just apply a tinted moisturizer, honestly. If you have a nicer, or if you have a nice complexion, or if you don't care to wear face makeup, I just want a even skin. I just want even skin, so I don't mind putting the extra effort into putting my foundation on. So then, like I said, to me it's all about the face. So I'm going to take this Lorac Tantalizer Baked Bronzer. I've been obsessed with this, and I'm just going to bronze my face. So I'm going to contour my nose with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And because I usually don't do eyeshadow, like I said, because I like to take my time on my face makeup, I usually just take my nose contour into the socket of my eye and just blend whatever product that I have on my brush. That way it gives you a very natural shadow in the crease. And that way you don't have to spend time or as much time doing your eyeshadow because you already have a little definition there. So then to contour my face, I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to, literally smells like chocolate, I just want to lick it. So I'm just going to take that and just go over everywhere that I've contoured. I'm actually going to be using two blushes. To start off, I'm going to take this one from Milani, and it's called Tea Rose. I've been literally obsessed with this. It's like the prettiest pinky nude neutral shade. It literally goes with any eye look you're doing. So I'm just going to pounce that on the apples of my cheeks, and then just take it across my nose to give me a little, you know, that little natural look, even though we're caking it on. And then on top of that, I'm going to take another Milani blush. This is a baked blush in Luminoso, and I'm going to do the same thing with this as well. And like I said, again, I'm going to pack on my highlighter. My first highlighter that I'm going to use is this one from Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. Literally, I guess this would be my second favorite. So just take this and pack it on. That was the first highlighter. Now I'm going to take this one from Anastasia. This is the one, the collab with Amrezy, and I'm just going to pack that on top. I'm going to take the Amrezy highlighter and apply that under my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eyes. So now for the eyes, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. You can go ahead and do a little neutral eye, but for me, I don't usually do any eyeshadow. I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and then apply falsies, because when I have my lashes on, I just feel that much, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but I just love having lashes on when I don't have eyeshadow on. So I'm just going to quickly put some lashes on. You don't totally have to do it if you don't want to. Like, you can totally just leave it like this. But if you'd like, you can just do a little bit of mascara and you're good to go. But because I'm extra and I want to be bougie, or because I'm bougie and I want to be extra, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are the Lily lashes for Sephora collection in Miami. So I'm just going to quickly pop those on and I'll be right back. Just to give you guys an idea, this is what it would look like if you just did mascara on your top lashes. So if I were to do this, I probably wouldn't do mascara on my lower lashes because I just don't like them to be too long. So yeah, this is what it would look like. So I'm just going to pop on my falsies and I'll be right back. So I have my lashes on. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Too Faced bronzer that I used earlier and take a very fluffy brush, and I'm just going to lightly dust this under my lower lash line because I don't want it to be just bare. And I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so for the lippy, I know I want like a bright orange because that just reminds me of like a summer, like fresh, natural, glowing makeup. Like if I think of that, I think of a orange lip color. I don't know why, but that's just what I think of, so that's what I want to do. I don't know if I want to use NYX Morocco or Stila I don't even know how to pronounce that, Tesoro. So I'm just going to swatch them. I know this one's like a more of like a reddy orange and this is like a true orange. I think I want the NYX. I'm actually going to take this Revlon Photo Ready Intense Eyeliner and take the white part of that and just or tight line with that a little bit. And I'm just going to spray my face with this rose water. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give me a thumbs up, leave a little comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!